Hey there, tech aficionados! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel that uncovers all the latest tech gadgets and gizmos. Today, we've got something that will revolutionize your home Wi-Fi experience: the TP-Link AC2600 Wi-Fi extender, also known as the RE650. Stick around as we dive deep into this powerhouse extender's features and capabilities. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay in the tech loop. First off, let me introduce you to the TP-Link AC2600 Wi-Fi extender, also known as the RE650. This incredible device is designed to extend your Wi-Fi range, making those frustrating dead spots a thing of the past. The RE650 operates on both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, delivering a staggering 2,600 megabits per second of combined speed. That's 800 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and a whopping 1,733 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band. Say goodbye to lag while streaming 4K movies or engaging in online gaming. TP-Link went all out with the RE650's antenna setup. It boasts a quad antenna design that ensures powerful Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Dead spots? Forget about them. You'll have a strong and reliable connection wherever you roam. Ever heard of new MIMO technology? Well, the RE650 has it. This feature allows the extender to communicate with multiple devices simultaneously. No more waiting in line for a connection. It's a speed boost, especially when paired with a new MIMO router. Let's talk speed, shall we? The RE650 uses 4-stream and 256 QAM technologies to deliver lightning-fast AC2600 connections. With 4-stream technology, you get an extra data stream on both Wi-Fi bands, and 256 QAM increases overall capacity. Translation? Lag-free gaming and smooth 4K streaming. Some text goes here: what's under the hood? The RE650 features an intelligent processing engine that juggles the demands of your devices, ensuring your Wi-Fi remains fast and stable. Game online, stream in 4K, and download large files without missing a beat. We already mentioned the quad antenna design, but it's worth emphasizing how it minimizes dead spots and delivers strong, reliable Wi-Fi connections. With beamforming technology, the RE650 focuses its signal where it's needed most, further enhancing your home's Wi-Fi performance. Need versatility? The RE650 offers wireless bridge and AP modes, and it's equipped with a gigabit Ethernet port for wired devices. Setting it up is a breeze, thanks to smart indicator lights. Plus, it's compatible with any Wi-Fi router, access point, or modem router. Managing your Wi-Fi has never been easier. Use the TP-Link Tether app to access settings, schedule tasks, and manage devices. Plus, TP-Link ensures universal compatibility, so you can connect it to almost any router out there. Fun fact: TP-Link is a top consumer Wi-Fi brand, with millions of satisfied users worldwide. They're leading the charge in Wi-Fi innovation, and the RE650 is a testament to their commitment to providing top-notch products. To wrap things up, the TP-Link AC2600 Wi-Fi extender, the RE650, is a game-changer in the world of home networking. It annihilates dead spots, delivers lightning-fast performance, and is super easy to set up. If you want to take your home Wi-Fi to the next level, this is the gadget to get. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more fantastic tech reviews and product showcases. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay connected and keep exploring the world of tech.